Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to save YouTube short video to your playlist. So for you to do that, you have to click on the YouTube icon. You can see right here it has been launched. Then we click on short.
In the forest for their summer vacation.
We click on the three icon button up here. Then we click save to playlist. You can pick from any of these playlists you have on this list, or you create a new one. So you can decide on the title you want your playlist to be. So I'm just going to input a random title. Then you can decide if you want your playlist to be public, unlisted, or private. So I'm going to make it private. Then click on create. You can see up here playlist created. So that's it. Thank you.